Okay, today we have a package from the United States Postal Service. Okay, we got something very special today for unboxing, so let's get straight to the unboxing. Okay, this is some very nice packaging. The guy we bought this from actually lives in Philadelphia, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna get the sides now. So let's find out what's inside here. Well, of course I do, but you guys don't. So you guys are gonna get excited. Now these are some very rare passenger cars. Well, I already spoiled it for you, but what do we have inside? Walkers. Original inbox. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull these out. These are original inbox, super rare and hard to find passenger train cars. These are used on SEPTA push-pull sets. So here's the second one. So yeah, check out that box. Let me just clean up this place real quick. Okay, now that we got all that stuff cleaned up and all that packing peanuts is gone, we can now open these, okay? Check it out. This is like original inbox. Look at that. It is a SEPTA Comet passenger car. Which is this one? This one is the this is the cab car, I think. Oh no, they put it in the wrong box. This is actually the regular commuter coach. This is like a super long passenger car. I'm so lucky I scored these. These are incredible. Let me get this out of the box. I mean, how cool are these? So I'm going to be buying a Septa ACS-64 and a Septa AEM7. And inside, I don't know what that is. Looks like there's decals and a manual. Pretty cool. I'm going to go take a look. Yeah, just decals and a manual. No, those aren't actual decals. Those just say decals. Maybe this is like a kit or something. I don't know. Okay, so this is the cab car box. But even though this is the coach, interesting. Now we have the next piece right here. This is probably the cab car. Check it out. These wheels are looking great. Yep, that's the cab car. Look at that. Oh, this looks awesome. So I'm going to be adding a K5LA to the top. That's what SEPTA uses on this cab car. This is one of the loudest horns I've actually heard in real life, so this is awesome. So these are the two passenger cars. I mean, how cool is that? So these are really rare, and especially I got these in the box. So these cost to be $120, but hey, I can't complain. These are super rare. So thank you all for tuning in. I'll go get a SEPTA ACS-64 to pair with these passenger cars. And yeah, and eventually I'll get the AEM7, but yeah. And maybe I'll get the SEPTA multi-level coaches coming in the future. Maybe somebody will make those. But yeah, the next time you'll see an episode on these is with our Bachmann ACS-64. But other than that, I'll see you guys later. Thank you all for tuning in. And yeah, this is awesome. I can't wait to run these. Once I get to the model railroad clubs, of course, but because I don't have an HO scale layout anymore. But yeah, see you guys later. Have a great rest of your day. And I'm just feeling great about these brand new passenger cars. Oh snap! These actually did come with decals. Hold on. These are actual decals. Look, it says Amtrak. It says NJ Transit, it says MBTA, and finally SEPTA. I'm going to be using the SEPTA one, obviously. I'm just going to cut it out. If you guys want the other ones, go ahead and take them. That's awesome. So these are actual decals. So the numbers would go right here, and like, yeah. And I'm going to put like Trenton Express or something on the side. But yeah, that's awesome.